good morning, and welcome to another new vlog. Hope you guys are doing really, really good. And by the way, today is Wednesday, and आज मैं टेबल पे लेके बैठी हूँ अपनी कॉफ़ी एंड अपना ब्रेकफास्ट. वैसे मैं ब्रेकफास्ट टेबल पे करती नहीं हूँ, लेकिन आई थिंक आज मुझे करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि एक तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा लेट, अभी 10 बज चुके हैं ऑलरेडी, मैं बजने वाले हैं. एंड मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा लेट ब्लॉग स्टार्ट करी क्योंकि सुबह मैं 7 बजे उठ गई थी. एंड उसके बाद मैं थोड़ा फ़ोन यूज़ करी थी 1 आवर ऐसे कुछ, जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा ख़राब हैबिट है. बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि मैं स्क्रॉल कर रही थी, बट कुछ प्रोडक्टिव ही कर रही थी. एंड उसके बाद फिर मम्मी से बातें चल रही थी तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा लेट हो गया. वेल एनीवेज, तो आज मुझे थोड़ी सी चैप्टर्स है जो रिवाइज़ करने हैं. मतलब स्टार्टिंग में आई हैव टू स्टार्ट विद सम रिविजन, एंड उसके बाद मॉक पेपर देना है. बहुत सारी चीज़ें. मैंने सोचा कि चलो आज का दिन थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्टिव बनाते हैं, एंड या दैट्स द प्लान. सो या कीप वॉचिंग गाइस. बट बिफोर डूइंग एनीथिंग मेरे को कुछ फाइल्स अपने आईपैड में ट्रांसफ़र करने पड़ेंगे बिकॉज रनिंग आउट ऑफ स्टोरेज एज यूजल. और आप लोगों में से किसी ने मुझे पूछा था कि वाई यू यूज़ सोनिया की क्लिप्स. देखो, जब भी हम घूमने जाते हैं ना, तो मैं उसको ऐसे बोल देती हूँ कि तू जो भी क्लिप्स ले रही है मेरे लिए भी ले ले, क्योंकि एक ही जगह हम जाते हैं और एक ही सारे क्लिप्स होते हैं. और मेरे फ़ोन में काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्टोरेज प्रॉब्लम है, एंड ऑफकोर्स उसका बेटर क्वालिटी भी है, तो मैं वो बोल देती हूँ. एंड उसमें भी मुझे आई डोंट थिंक कि मेरे को कभी वो सुनना पड़ेगा. बट या अब से आई विल ट्राई कि मैं खुद ही अपना ब्लॉग शूट करूँ अपने फ़ोन पे. सो या वेल, तो सबसे पहले मैं सारा फाइल इस पे ट्रांसफ़र करती हूँ, एंड देन आई विल स्टार्ट. नाउ आई हैव टू पुट इट ऑन चार्ज क्योंकि इसमें चार्ज ही नहीं है. ओके.
Hey guys, so these days I have been trying to study properly again and some days go well and some days don't. And lately मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा confused हो रही हूँ. I mean, I want to do many things but at the same time I feel tired very quickly. And आप लोगों में से कुछ लोगों ने कमेंट किया था कि आप post क्यों नहीं करते हो regularly, and to be honest, heat here is making everything harder. Honestly, इतनी गर्मी है. I mean, I wanted to make reels video regularly but even picking up the camera feels difficult sometimes. Still, I'm trying to stay consistent little by little. And also I feel like my life is too simple to film. I stay at home most of the time. I follow most of the same routine every day: study, eat, scroll on my phone, try to be productive, think, I mean overthink. And और मुझे ऐसा लगता है मेरा रूटीन रोज रिपीट होता ही रहता है. And that's also one of the reason why I don't post very often, because sometimes I feel like what I'm even supposed to show.
गाइस, सो अभी मैं पढ़ रही थी एंड लैपटॉप की बैटरी डेड हो गई. सो अभी मैं सोची थोड़ा सा ब्रेक ले लूँ. एंड अभी मेरे को एडिटिंग भी करनी है, तो मैं सोच रही कि थोड़ा 20 मिनट्स एडिट कर लेती हूँ. पूरा तो नहीं हो पाएगा, बस रफ कट कर लूँगी सारे वीडियोस, तो ईजी हो जाएगा मुझे बाद में. सो या दैट्स द प्लान. और मुझे नहाना भी है, मैं नहाई भी नहीं हूँ.
So as I said, my laptop battery died in between studying, and honestly this happens with almost everything in my life. And whenever I finally start focusing on something properly, something always happens in between and my whole flow gets disturbed. And once my flow is gone, it's become really difficult for me to focus again. And I don't know if anyone else relate to this, but even a small interruption can completely ruin my mood to work sometimes. Then I start procrastinating, taking long breaks, scrolling on my phone and thinking I will start again in 5 minutes, and somehow the whole day passes like that. I think that's also one of the reason why I struggle with consistency so much. Not because I don't want to do things. I do want to study properly. I do want to upload videos regularly. I do want to become disciplined. But sometimes my mind just feels everywhere at once, and being lazy honestly make it worse. And there are days when I keep delaying even the simplest task for no reason. Like I will spend more time thinking about doing something than actually doing it. And by the end of the day, I feel guilty for wasting so much time. But recently, I have been thinking a lot about changing this habit little by little. Not in some extreme way. I'm not trying to suddenly become one of those perfectly productive people overnight. I know myself, that kind of things never last for me. So this time, I just wanted to start slowly. Maybe a small challenge for myself, something simple that helps me build discipline gradually. And even if it's just studying properly for a few hours, wake up early, being more consistent with content, or spending less time procrastinating. And honestly, my life is very simple. Nothing exciting really happens most of the time. I stay at home, study, edit videos, overthink about life, and repeat the same routine again. Sometimes I feel like my life is too repetitive for content, like there is nothing special to show, and because of that, I stop myself from posting. I keep thinking, what will people even watch in this? But then I realize maybe content doesn't always need something big happening. boring, and maybe some people just like watching normal life because not everyone is living a super exciting life all the time. A lot of us trying to figure things out slowly, and I think that's why I still want to continue making videos or productive, but because I enjoy documenting these little moments, even the boring days, even the lazy days, even the days where nothing goes according to plan. Because this is still my life, and one day this moment will become memories too. So, yeah, that's kind of the plan for now. Trying to become more disciplined slowly, try to stay consistent, try not to overthink everything so much, and just enjoy the process little more. And if you are someone who also struggles with motivation, consistency, or procrastination, you are definitely not alone. I feel like so many people are silently going through the same thing right now and waiting for to do better, wanting to change their life, wanting to become disciplined, but at the same time feels mentally tired all the time. And honestly, that's exactly how I have been feeling too. But I think right now I'm just experimenting, trying different kind of vlog and different editing style, different way of expressing myself, because honestly I still don't fully know what kind of content I exactly want to make. Sometimes I want to make simple daily vlogs, sometimes I feel like making study vlogs, sometimes I just wanted to disappear for a few days and do nothing. So I'm honestly just figuring things out, and I'm not trying to act too hard like some influencer giving life advice, but honestly these were my random thoughts I genuinely wanted to share. And yeah, that's pretty much how my day went. Hope you guys like this one, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.